Hey, welcome back. So guys, as part of the today's session, let us say how exactly we can configure the Windows machine. So if at all you are using a Mac machine, kindly ignore this particular lecture. So with that note, let's get started. So here, the first and foremost thing that you need is a Node.js, and the next one is a Visual Studio Code. So here, I'm just going and searching for Node.js and download, navigating to the Node.js official website, and I'm on a Windows basically, and I'm downloading this particular Windows MSI file. It will take a few seconds basically to download this particular, Node.js. So once it got downloaded, simply we will double tap on it and we will start installing that particular one. So here, double tap on this particular Node.js and let us start installing this particular Node.js. See here, I accept, proceed further, and then complete that particular installation on a node. So a pop-up will be displayed on a Windows machine. Just accept that particular pop-up and it will take a few minutes basically to complete the installation of this particular Node.js on your machine. Okay, so let it go. So here, Node.js has a successfully installed. That's perfectly all right. So once a Node.js has successfully installed, so now the next thing that you need to download here is a Visual Studio Code. So Visual Studio Code is the one where in which we are going to write down our source code into that. So that's the reason I'm using this Visual Studio Code. I am on a Windows and mine is a Windows 64-bit. So here I'm just clicking on this install 64-bit, the download the 64-bit basically. It's gonna download an exe file for me and then double tap on that particular exe file and we can proceed further with that installation. Okay, anyways, let it download so that we can see how this is gonna work out. So the Node.js is successfully installed. Now we were targeting for the Visual Studio Code. So as part of the Visual Studio Code itself, we will be creating a project in which we will be writing down our customized code related to the mobile automation in the Visual Studio Code itself. Okay, that's good. So as simple as it is, once the exe file you have downloaded, simply double tap on it, follow the installations and simply complete that installation part. That's it. So it's taking a couple more seconds to download. Let it download so that we can finish that installation part as well. Okay, so just download it. Now go to the folder, double tap on that Visual Studio Code and simply proceed further. Okay, I accept, proceed further and complete the installation basically. So just click on that particular install. Preparing that, it is setting up the Visual Studio Code on this particular computer. And after a few seconds, right, once after the complete installation is successful, it will display a message that, buddy, the installation is successful. You can access it. That's it. With that note, these are the two simple things how exactly we can install. And the next and a critical thing that you need to install is an Android Studio that comes with a complete Android software in your machine that we will be looking at as part of our next session. Okay, but that's fine. Let this complete so that we can see how this whole chunk looks like. Okay, so it may take a couple of seconds, but this is the process how exactly we can deal with it, guys. Okay, good. So if you are using a Windows, right? So you just need to follow this particular approach and you just need to, okay, you just need to handle in this particular way, like a downloading part, a installation part, and everything you need to handle. Okay, good. So I guess, yeah, it's almost done. Let's give it a minute so that the installation will be completed. Okay. So once the installation is successful, you just finished it. And here, you will be finding the Visual Studio Code. That's it, guys. So this is a simple way how exactly you need to configure your Windows machine. So let us continue further with the Android Studio configuration. Okay. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.